But wait, there's more. Now that the AC is up and running out here in the workshop, let's get the fans going. Got an 81 36-inch original here, and then the 79 over there, which I'm pretty sure is going to be a permanent install because it runs so awesomely for one of these fans. Let's turn the 81 on. Go on the low speed, and then the 79 on the low speed. Gently stirs the air. This is about the size of room that these are intended for. This is a 12 by 8 room. And these move an adequate amount of air for what they are in this very space. So go ahead and crank them up on high. And this one really moves some good air on high for a 36-incher. Very nice running 36-incher. And then this one is just your garden variety. Runs about like most of them do. Get a nice gentle breeze on the highest speed. This one's actually moving decent air. And then we can go to the medium speed, which is factory low on these. I did the capacitor and added the low speed. So that 79's on the factory low speed now. And on that, it runs pretty nice as well. And put them on the low speed where I usually run them. Got the light. We're all good. So once again, both the AC and the fans are up and running for the workshop during the 2026 summer season. Thank you for watching.